Hi, I am Dr. Arek Przybysz, Technical Advisor of Kronen. Today I will tell you about germination and growth test. There are various of methods, physical and chemical, to examine raw materials, substrates and potting soils. However, not everything, including safety, could be determined by laboratory analysis. Germination and growth tests serve for us as a final exam, which help us to meet all requirements of grower. The germination and growth tests, they usually take about few weeks. It depends on a crop, cultivation method, but also a season. As a tested plants, we use crops which are sensitive and fast growing, such as cress, lettuce or Chinese cabbage. Germination and growth test is an important element of quality control in Kronen Group.